Happy Valentine's, Johnny.
Well, happy Valentine's Day to you too.
Valentine's is not in Johnny's vocabulary, guys.
American.
It's American.
American Mickey Mouse nonsense.
So we're out with his car. We're going to Atherton.
I've never been in this for 4.5 weeks.
Yeah. And we just go back, guys. Go to Atherton and come back.